Make your life easier and save time with macros in Google Sheets. A macro is a set of steps that have been recorded that can be applied over and over again. I'm going to record a macro and then I'm going to run the macro. And the way you record it is you click on Tools, hover over Macros, and click Record Macro. When I click on Record Macro, each of the steps that I execute will be remembered. So I'm going to click on Record Macro. You can see it's recording here. And the first step is I'm going to do Control A, which selects everything. I'm going to click on Format. I'm going to choose Alternating Colors. And I'm going to choose the color. And I'm going to close this. Then I'm going to freeze the first row by clicking and dragging down the bar here. And then I am going to sort this by country. So I'm going to click the down arrow here and say Sort Sheet A to Z. And those are all the steps that I want in my macro, so now I'm going to click Save. And then I'm going to give my macro a name, and I'm going to call it Format Sheet. And there's a shortcut where you can put a number here, but I'm just going to click Save. Now I'm going to run the macro on this sheet. I'm going to click on it. You can only run the macro on the sheets that are in the workbook. Click on Tools. I hover over Macros, and you'll see the macros you saved here. You can save up to 10. I'm going to click on the macro, which is called Format Sheet, and it does ask for authorization the first time you use it. And just click Allow. Then this first time we'll have to run the macro again. And there you have it. The sheet is formatted just the way it was when I recorded the macro.